Okay, next. How do we present this object, 3D object, na dapat pareha siya ingani, no? So, halos same lang Japon ang pag-present like sa 2D, except we are not using viewports anymore. So, let's try sa layout. 1, same Japon. Check nimo. Page manager, modify. And ISO full bleed. Ay, naka 3D siya. Let's change to ISO full bleed A4. A4 lang. And okay. And insert. Itong i-create na title block. Oops. Oh, check sa na to, no? Units na gigamit ito rin. Millimeters. And 00. Okay. Layout. Units. Check natin. Millimeters. And insert. Supposedly, dapat magpantay pareha siya, no? Okay. L0, 0. And okay lang kung ingani lang sa ang color sa imuhang title block. Okay. So, nina. So, instead of using viewports, ato ta sa home. And then, notice na ingani, base. And then, click the base and choose from model space. So, wait lang natin. Ingani magawas. So, pwede nato siya i-check ang orientation. Yung top. Top siya. Then, click. And enter. Enter lang. Okay. Then, so itong tsura dapat naka-upright. Then, rotate. Ma-move na nato siya dara, no? Kaso, naka-wireframe siya. Pwede dyan pa na siya change. No? Edit view. Change na to siya into shaded with visible line. Okay. And enter. Or okay. Then, paano tong other? So, same lang. Kung i-click nyo tong object, then projected, ma-project niya ang tanang angle, no? Kana na. So, let's select lang this one. And enter. Tapos, baba lang natin para maganda lang siya tingnan. Okay. Then, how about ang other? This one. Parang na-slice na, no? So, same in Japan. Click. And we have section. We have different section. Full, half, offset, aligned. So, we'll choose full. Full. And then this one. And enter. Okay. Nanatay. Scale. Pwede na siya ma-check ang iyang oops, wala din ma-check yung scale, no? Anyway, you can always pwede mo mag-search, no, kung paano siya maghihimong inganig yung tanan. And so on. You can put dimension, same lang, and that's it, no? Importante, mabuo na nimo ang presentation. And ready to print na dahil siya into PDF and then eventually sa paper. Okay? If you have any question, just message me sa GC, tapos mag-reply lang ako dito. Sometimes late, pero mag-reply ko, no? Anyway, so since tapos na nato ang 3D object, I will give you assignment para ma-practice pa din ang inyong i-create ang kaning 3D exercises na to. Okay? So that's it.